In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate your Instagram feed into your website using the hPanel website builder. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a sleek, professional-looking Instagram feed displayed directly on your website, enhancing both the visual appeal and the social engagement opportunities for your visitors. So, let's dive right in and get started. First things first, begin by opening the hPanel, your powerful website management tool. Once you're in, navigate to the Websites section. You'll find this option prominently on the dashboard, giving you an overview of all your hosted domains. It's crucial to select the correct website that you wish to edit, especially if you manage multiple projects, to avoid any unnecessary confusion later on. Next up, click on Edit Website for the appropriate site. This action will open up the Website Builder, which is a user-friendly, intuitive interface where you can create and customize your web pages with ease. Within the Website Builder, you're looking for an option labeled Add Element, or sometimes represented by a plus button. This option allows you to expand your site's capabilities by adding various interactive elements. It might take a few seconds to load, depending on your internet speed, so patience is key. Once you're in the Add Element menu, you'll want to keep an eye out for the Instagram widget. Now, it's worth noting that in some website builders, the availability of different widgets can vary, so don't get discouraged if it doesn't immediately appear. Sometimes, a bit of scrolling or a search within the widget menu might be required to find what you're looking for. Once you locate the Instagram widget, get ready to put it into action. The next step is straightforward, yet crucial. Drag the Instagram widget onto your desired spot on your page. Choose a location that makes sense for your layout and content flow. Remember, the placement can greatly affect how visitors interact with the feed, so think about where it fits best within the overall design of your web page. Whether you want it featured prominently on your homepage or tucked away on a dedicated social feed page is entirely up to you. Now, it's time to connect your Instagram account. The widget will prompt you to either connect directly to your Instagram account, which involves logging in, or, alternatively, you can simply paste your Instagram profile URL. This flexibility is handy, especially if you're managing multiple accounts or prefer not to log in every time. Confirm your selections, and voila, your Instagram feed should now be integrated, seamlessly showcasing your latest posts and updates. Congratulations! You've successfully added an Instagram feed to your website using the hPanel website builder. Whether you're sharing product updates or just personal photos, this integration adds a layer of connectivity that can significantly enhance user engagement. Thanks for tuning in, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any further questions.